I'm mastering edging in this video.
Doesn't mean what you think it means.
What do you mean? I'm mastering edge work in this video. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna try with veg tan and chrome tan. I've been told that burnishing edges on chrome tan is almost impossible. I love a challenge. All right, let's get into it. For this, I'll be using Tokonole, leather dye green and brown, slicker, beeswax, sanding paper 400 grit, 600 grit, and 1000 grit. If necessary, I will polish with this at the end. You have to do this by hand with a sanding paper. It's the only way to get the right results. This is 600. I'm gonna keep going just a little bit, and then I'm gonna start applying Tokonole. I'm gonna repeat this a few times. Oh, this is so smooth, so shiny. I'm gonna try polishing with 12,000 grit. I think that's a lot, but let's see. Oh, I did it. I can't believe it. So I'm gonna do the same, but I'm gonna try painting the edge first. This sucks. It's kind of shiny already. This is crazy. Now the problematic one. Let's start with 400. I am not applying a lot of pressure. I'm very surprised with the results. They're not perfect, but they're really good. Still very shiny. Look at that. Okay. The results are very impressive. I'm gonna start using this on my leather bags. It was very simple. I just got my gold zipper pullers delivered while filming. If you are still here and you liked my video, please, please share. Subscribe, let me know in the comments. It's the only way to support me. Please share. All right, I hope you liked this video. The results were very impressive. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Bye.